Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable allow repeated calls for a focus mode on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the settings screen, you want to go down and tap on Focus. Next, tap on a focus that you want to change. Then tap on People. Next, we go down to the bottom and tap on Allow Repeated Calls. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. It said a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. So make your selection and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.